everybody, are you looking at this? These are soybeans, organically grown non-GMO soybeans. Of course, you guys know that some soybeans are so healthy and lots of proteins and antioxidants and all kinds of minerals, vitamins. Today, we are going to make soy milk, in Korean, Duyu. So 2 cups. Take out any like broken beans or some brownish beans. See? I don't want to eat this thing, kind of thing. Nice. Let's wash. Pour out some dirty water. Lots of water, and let's soak this. Here you go. I already soaked this just last night, almost 10 hours ago. This is just 2 cups of dried soybeans, and then 10 to 12 hours later, like that. Size is a huge difference. It's big. And you can just squish this. Look at that, squish. I'm going to soak this for my later use. Just only I wanted to show you how you wash this and how you soak. And I'm going to cook this one, and then I'm boiling water. Let's just strain this. Open. And then put this all beans into. I'm going to boil this without lid because sooner or later it's boiling over with lots of bubbles. That's soybeans' nature. So I'm going to cook 15 minutes without lid over medium-high heat. Look at this, lots of bubbles. Stir this so the bubbles are going down and also beans are not stick to the bottom. See? Nice. So 15 minutes passed. Let's turn down the heat to low. Very low. And close this time. And 5 minutes more. I just cooked this, all cooking is done. Let's taste 1 bean. I need only 1 bean sample. Turn off. Nice. Not too soft, very nutty. Cooked perfectly. I'm going to strain these beans. So these beans are very hot. So you need to cool down and find this kind of Ziploc bag. I put all these beans and freeze. Here this is frozen beans. There's a half a cup. 1.5 cup water. This is 1 cup. Cold water, it should be cold water. Half cup. If you add this toasted sesame seeds, the taste is really enhanced. So I use just 1 teaspoon home toasted sesame seeds. And then salt, I use 1/4 teaspoon. And just blend. Cheers, everybody. Make this at home. Oh my. Oh, so nice. So nice. Make this a homemade Duyu and drink with all your family members. So you and me, all of us get healthy together. Today, I showed you how to make easy Duyu. soy milk. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.